So let's say what I want is I want to add in a registration block right here so that people can enter their details and register for certain things. In that case, you can utilize something called a registration block, and to do that, you can go ahead in between two blocks right here and then simply go ahead and type in registration right here. And you can see that registration form is an option, and if I were to go ahead and click, then you can see all of the forms right here just like this. You can also go ahead and change, let's say for example, the location of these forms as well. So you can see that this is what you have, as you can see. So these are the select one option, as you can see right here, that you have, and then you can also see that these are the labels right here that you can go ahead and change around the properties for right here. So you can see that you can change the field is required or so forth right here just like this, and then change around the style of this as well. So this is what you have, as you can see. So let's just go ahead and save this, and then once that is done, what happens is that the visitors will be able to go ahead and enter out the details and send it out. So let me just go ahead and view the post right here just like this, and you can see that there's this registration form. So let's just go around and say something like Robert retired right here just like this, and then I'm going to go around over here just like this and type in some number right here just like this, and then I'm going to go around, choose social media, and then let's say for example Robert at gmail.com, let's say for example robot123, and I say I would like to register for this service right here just like this. So now the audiences will be able to go ahead and then fill this out, and this is the message they get. And then around over here, as the developer right here, what you can do is you can go ahead and view the form responses right here just like this, and this is how it gets recorded. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize a registration block inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.